Hi everybody, and welcome back to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm going to show you some keystrokes that will save you just a little bit of time when you're editing a document. That will help you. You may not remember them right at the beginning, but I am going to put a shortcut down in the description and put a list of the shortcuts in the description so you can maybe make a post-it note to stick on your monitor like I did when I was learning them, or you can print it out and stick it up somewhere where it's easy for you to look at. So let's get started. I have copied a poem that I found online by Haley O'Connor called Kindness, and we're going to go through and do some editing now. So the first one I'm going to show you is Ctrl and A. So on your keyboard, you're going to hold the Control button down and press A at the same time, and that is a select all, so that selects all of the text. Now I want mine centered, but I'm not going to show you the keystroke for that one yet because it involves 3 keys and that's a little more advanced. But you'll notice when I hover over the center tool in the toolbar, you can see it says Control, Shift, and E. That is the shortcut. And most of the tools up here have the shortcuts listed in the name. So I'm going to go ahead and center that. Now, if I want to copy and paste, say I want to print 2 of these on a page, I can highlight the whole thing and hit Ctrl C, and that's copy. And then I would go underneath it and hit Ctrl V, and that's paste. So now I have 2 of them. If I wanted to cut and move something, maybe I wanted to edit her poem and I want to copy or cut. I'm sorry, that whole paragraph, I can hit Control and X, and that's cut, and now it's gone. And if I want to, I can move it back down here, Control V, so now I have moved it from one place to the other. But I don't want to mess with her poem, so now I'm going to undo what I just did. So actually, I'm going to undo the paste, and then I'm going to do undo again, so it puts it back up there, so it's like I never cut it. So Control and Z is undo. And I'm going to do that again and one more time so I can put it back where it was. Control Y is redo if I wanted to redo it again, but I don't want to. I have the title is already bolded and underlined, so I want the author's name to also be bolded and underlined. So I highlighted it, and now I'm going to hit Control B for bold and Control U for underline. And I want the author's name to be a little different, so I'm going to put it in italics, which is Control I. Okay. There's 2 more really quick ones I want to show you with docs. Actually, it works pretty much with anything, but Control P is print, and so I use Control P when I print everything, and that'll open up the print window. Excuse me, I need to move my picture to get to the cancel button. Now I also have Control F, which is find. So if I wanted to find the word, a particular word in the document, I can hit Control F, and that pulls up the find box where I can put, the word kind, and it will highlight all of the kind words and parts of the word that are in the poem, so you can find words easily. Now I'm going to show you real quick something that is very helpful to me, this little window on our keyboard. Now this works on our Windows keyboards, not our Chromebooks. But on our Windows keyboard, there is a window button that is over to the left underneath the Z. And this window button can come in handy. So if you hold down that window button and hit the left arrow, you'll notice that my window snapped over to the left side. And so when I'm looking at it, right now I have 2 windows open. I just closed one, but you can open up different windows and then have the 2 of them side by side. So you can window right or window left, wherever you want it to go. Okay. I hope this is helpful to you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.